Okay, today's video is going to be how to download TrueRife version 6 software for Windows. As soon as you purchase an F122 frequency generator from us, or you get a package, you'll get an email with the version 6 software download here, and we're going to go ahead and click on that link to download software, which is this one in blue. Take you to our website, and today we're doing it for Windows, so we'll click the download button under the Windows icon here. And as soon as you get done downloading it, it should pop up automatically into your downloads here. And we're going to double click this setup TR 6.0. And you won't be able to see this, but there's a pop-up here that says user account control, and you want to click the yes button instead of the no. That's just a security setting. And then here we're going to hit a few series of nexts. One next, we'll hit the yes. If it pops up, if not, just click the next. We're going to do next install. And this should take 30 seconds to a minute, give or take, to download everything. Now we're going to install this AppMail USB driver. We just want to make sure we click I agree to the license and terms and then hit install. All right, setup successful. We can hit the close button here. Now we're downloading the zip file. This has all your frequencies in it. All right, it says completing the TrueRife setup. We're going to go ahead and click finish. And that just launched your TrueRife software. We're going to go ahead and click the update frequencies button in the top right hand corner. And you'll see it updating at the bottom, and right at the very end we should get a done updating frequencies once we're all finished. There it is, done updating frequencies. You should be able to hit open program. Here's your full library, and we are ready to go. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.